Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from White Canvas. White Canvas asks, may we know your considerations in choosing our real estate investment? Most important, of course, is location. The key question here is that what will drive more demand and boost the value of the residential properties in the long run? Some of the best drivers I look for are major office and infrastructure developments both now and in the future. When I say future, these are committed plans, not speculation. Second, I look at the track record of the developer. Consistent ba sila sa quality of execution across their projects? Will the structural integrity of the building stand the test of time? But aside from structural integrity, I also look at the overall living experience. Is the developer great at creating a pleasant community for the owners and residents? Finally, I also look at property maintenance. Hindi lang dapat maganda ang property pagka-turnover. Kailangan well-maintained siya through the years. Great property maintenance is your partner in attracting quality tenants and increasing the value of your property long-term. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.